Welcome! In front of me is a Vivo X80 Lite, and today I will show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and once you have the boot options visible, hold power off. This will then change into safe mode. Confirm it by selecting OK. And when the device boots back up, it will boot automatically into safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function. So any application that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and this is done for you to be able to troubleshoot your device. So if you have some kind of problem with your system running oddly, you can boot it into it and just troubleshoot. And once you're done, you just reboot the device to go back to normal mode. You can see we are now in safe mode, and in a second, once it loads apps, you should be able to there we go, find a bunch of applications that will not work in here. So they do become monochrome, which is almost all of them in here. And if you try to open any of them up, you can see it does absolutely nothing, and it does give you the pop-up at the bottom, giving you the message that downloaded apps are disabled in this mode. In any case, once you're done with it, you can hold your power button once more and select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically, like I said before, goes back to normal mode. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.